Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify store in multiple currencies. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what you need to do is simply head over to your settings from the bottom left. Once you are there, you need to head over to markets, since currency is related to different type of markets and regions that you are going to be targeting. Head over to markets. So currently United States is added and you can easily add more markets in here. Click on add market, select your region. Like for example, let's just search in here for something like Pakistan, and I'm going to be searching in here. If I cannot find it, maybe you can go to not in any market or in all. You can go through all of these markets that are available. Alright, so here we have Pakistan. Click on add market. Eventually, once you do that, it is going to be adding that, and that's how easily you will be able to set up your store in multiple currencies. And I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. So yeah, it's quite simple. Add market, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.